In this video, we will look at inserting, copying, and moving data in an Excel spreadsheet. First of all, I'm going to select the employees in column A on my employee absence sheet. Then I could either use Ctrl+C on my keyboard to copy the data, click on Copy on the Home tab on the ribbon, or I can right-click on top of the highlighted data and choose Copy from there. Now I'm going to switch to my other workbook, click where I'd like to paste the data, and then I can either use Paste on the Home tab, I can do Ctrl+V, or from right-click, I can choose one of the various paste options. If you hover your mouse over the options, you'll see what it will look like before you paste it. For example, if you were pasting a formula, you might choose Paste Values to remove the formula but paste the result of the formula. You might choose Transpose to change the direction of the paste, or you might choose to paste a link, which would mean if I edited the original spreadsheet, this one would be updated too. I'm just going to go for the first option, which is a normal paste. It doesn't look great, but even after you've pasted the data, there will be further paste options that you can use at the bottom of the data you've pasted. I'm going to use the option to keep the source column widths. That's better. Another method to paste would be to click where you would like to paste the data and just press Enter on your keyboard. This time I'll just manually stretch the column width. To move data, you could select it, then use the Cut button on the Home tab. You could do Ctrl+X, or right-click and choose Cut, or you could use the mouse. Hover your mouse over to the edge of your selected data. You'll notice your mouse has changed shape, then click and drag to the new position. You can also use your mouse to copy data. Move your mouse to the border of the selected text, and just like you moved it, click and drag, but also hold the Control key. You'll notice an extra plus attached to your mouse, and when I let go, there'll be a copy. Now I'm going to switch back to my absence workbook and show you how to insert copied cells. I need to add Tom Krause to the bottom of my June sheet. So I'm going to right-click on the row header, in this case number 12, choose Copy, move to the June sheet, then right-click on top of the row 12. Then from here, I'll choose Insert Copied Cells. You could also do Ctrl+ on your keyboard. On the June worksheet, the original row 12 has moved to row 13, and any cells containing a formula underneath my inserted cells will automatically be updated. For example, if I type something against Tom Krause, it's automatically included in the formula row. So in this video, we've had a quick look at various techniques to insert, copy, and move data in an Excel spreadsheet.